So day 2 begins, and I guess it's just really sinking in that I'm actually stuck in this space for the next, I guess it's 13 days now. I slept pretty well last night. I slept until about 5 in the morning and then I was wide awake, which was better than the first night where I woke up at 3 o'clock and I was just wide awake. So I think the jet lag is slightly wearing off. I feel a little bit better, but yeah, the hotel's really quiet. I guess the window's double glazed or something. I can't hear any noise out there. So, confession, yesterday I did not start on all my routines. I didn't do any exercise. I didn't really get much work done. I kind of wasted time. So today is all about routine and all about getting started in that routine so that I can hopefully feel better for all the time I'm in here. So first things first, some exercise, looking forward to meals today, and there's a disruption coming later today that strangely I'm a little bit excited about because it means I'm gonna get to see a human face to face. Hopefully I can film it and I'll bring you guys along and I'll show you what that looks like. But no time like the present. Obviously I have nothing else to do with my life, so get cracking with some exercise. So it feels great to get some exercise in. My body definitely feels better and I'm really happy about that. I've just been wasting time online for half an hour, but now it's time to actually get cracking and get some work done. So I've got a magazine article to write that I'm gonna focus on, and hopefully I can get buried in work for a while until either lunch shows up or the disruption, today's activity that may or may not be pleasant. So on with some work. All right, lunch just got delivered. Let's see what we've got. Got pesto chicken tortilla, chicken breast, pesto mayo, tomato, fresh basil, misadventures cheese, and lettuce. Looks pretty good, it's hefty. I like that. I've got carrots, celery, and avocado dip. Looks very fresh and very good. I've got a bottle of water. I need to update my meal preferences so they stop sending me these. Just don't need them at all. I can drink the tap water here. And then, what is this? I've never seen this before. Hidden Pictures Snack Break. Can you find these hidden objects? So it's just a little puzzle to like find hidden things in the picture. I guess they're trying to keep us entertained to make sure we don't go any more stir crazy than we need to. This will be a fun little break from work for 5 minutes. But lunchtime gives me something to do, keeps structure during the day. So lunch was pretty good. It was actually really fresh and yeah, enough food for me, I guess. I could always go for more food, but I've kept an orange every day for breakfast. They give me 2 every day, so I might have an orange now to finish off lunch. And this puzzle's actually pretty funny. It's harder than it looks. Normally these things are made for kids and they're really easy, but I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things to go. And it's really hard because a lot of them are like upside down, and so you're looking for a golf club and you expect it to look like a golf club, but it's like part of the background, or it's part of a dude's hand and part of the background or something. So it's keeping me entertained, as you can tell. Does that mean that I'm already going crazy? I don't know. Oh, so just now there was a knock on my door, and it was the distraction. I was hoping that I could film and show you guys. And because it's day 2, it was my COVID test. So here in quarantine, I got a COVID test before I could even get on the plane. And I'm going to get a test on day 2, the one I just had, and then on day 12. And as long as both of those are negative, then I can leave on day 14. So anyway, I wanted to film that. And so 2 nurses were there in like full hazmat suits. And I asked, and they said, no, you are not allowed to film this. And I said, oh, what if I only film myself and not you guys? And they said, no, we've been told you can't do that. So I wonder if other people have tried to kind of film this kind of stuff and gotten in trouble for it. So anyway, they swabbed the back of my throat, which is what I had done previously before I got on the plane. And then they did the nose swab as well. And I have to say that was fairly unpleasant. I haven't had the nose one done before. And it kind of shocked me. I guess they put it pretty far up your nose and give it a good twist. And then they did it on the other side as well. So my eyes actually started watering really badly. And to be honest with you, I'm pretty happy that it isn't on film. I guess I might ask again next time on day 12. But yeah, that was my distraction for the day. That was my highlight of the day, I guess. I got to actually talk face to face to a human for the first time since I got here. And you know, COVID test, you have to get it done, otherwise I'll never get out of here. And I've been told that if I don't have COVID, I won't hear anything about that test. They just will never contact me. But if I do have COVID, they're going to call me and tell me about it. So fingers crossed, they don't call me. A couple of hours more on the laptop, and that brought day number 2 of quarantine to a close. It feels really good to have started in on a solid routine, and hopefully it's going to help me survive these next days. Staring out the window, watching the world go by, is becoming a bit of a habit. I can't help but wonder what all these people are doing with their freedom.